In this video, we'll take a look at a rare dual hose portable air conditioner from Toyotomi. The vast majority of portable air conditioners use a single hose or duct to exhaust hot air outside of your window. This is easier to install and less cumbersome, but it has some major drawbacks. At a very basic level, single duct portable air conditioners pull cool air from inside your house to cool down the internal components before being pushed outside through an exhaust hose. And that's the whole problem. Already cooled air from inside your home is being used and then expelled, which means that the air conditioner has to work harder to replace that cool air. And it creates negative air pressure inside the home, which pulls in hot air from outside. So, we're losing cold air and gaining hot air, and that cancels out some of the air conditioner's performance. Dual hose portable air conditioners use two ducts so they don't have those problems. One duct pulls outside air in to cool down the internal components, and then that same air is pushed back outside. No cold air is wasted, and no hot air comes in the house. So, theoretically, dual hose portable air conditioners are just as efficient and effective as window air conditioners. Unfortunately, due to the ignorance of most consumers, single duct units are much more popular. Which makes the TAD T33 portable air conditioner from Toyotomi an interesting prospect. Toyotomi is a Japanese company that's more known for their heating products. But they're one of the world's largest producers of high-efficiency heaters, such as direct vent kerosene heaters, and have been doing it since 1948. And all of their products are manufactured in Japan. That's nice to see because, as we all know, most other products like this are made in China, and sometimes suffer from some quality issues. But the Japanese have been well known for quality manufacturing for decades now. For more information on their company, I'll put a link in the video description below. Now, you may not have seen the TAD T33 or Toyotomi before, because they're not sold on Amazon or some of the other major e-commerce sites. This model is rated at 11,500 BTUs by the old measuring standard, which is the ASHRAE standard, or 7,000 BTUs by the new DOE standard. That makes it sized appropriately for a very large room or a wide open space in your home. Toyotomi estimates that their dual duct design is 20 to 30% more efficient than a single duct design, and their rotary compressor motor consumes less energy than that of similar compressors. It's rated to consume about 1200 watts of energy and flow about 180 cubic feet per minute of air. And it can dehumidify and remove up to a half gallon of moisture from the air per hour. It comes with a remote control, two 4-foot hoses, and a window panel kit that works for windows between 20 and 37 inches wide. Now, if you're familiar with my channel and my reviews, you know that I try to gather some testing data to give you more real-world information to help you make an informed purchase decision. In this case, I'm going to compare it to a window unit that's not a perfect size match, but hopefully close enough to form some conclusions. Here you can see what it looks like before installation. Other than the hoses, there really isn't anything to install to get it going. You should be able to set it up in minutes without any tools. I installed the TAD T33 in the hottest room of the house and connected a power meter to the power cord to log the energy consumption over time. On its lowest setting, it's extremely quiet. But to move the air around a large room or an open area, the high fan speed setting is a bit louder than a window unit. For the test, I set both air conditioners to their lowest temperature set point and highest fan speed. The window unit being compared is a 10,000 BTU ASHRAE unit from Frigidaire, and it's installed in a separate part of the house. That shouldn't affect the test though, since both air conditioners will be going full blast for the duration, as they can't possibly cool the air to 60 degrees Fahrenheit in 105 degree Texas heat. I was able to verify that the TAD T33 does slowly ramp up to around 1200 watts, plus or minus 30 watts, when it's on max settings. After running for exactly the same amount of time, here's how much energy was consumed. The Toyotomi used 8 kilowatt hours, and the Frigidaire used about 6.5. Now, dividing that by the manufacturer's BTU output rating gives us some efficiency numbers that are almost dead even, certainly within rounding error in my admittedly flawed testing setup. In conclusion, the Toyotomi TA-DT33 is a superior air conditioner to the run-of-the-mill single-hose portable units. It's on par with a window unit, and it's made to the highest quality standards by a company that's built a reputation for almost 80 years. So if you're in need of extra cooling this summer during this heat wave, check it out and you won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful or useful, leave a comment and a like below.